Before we begin, how can you gently reduce tension and frustration and return to a space of patience, calm, and ease? Place a drop of bergamot oil onto a tissue. Bring it gently toward you. Sit comfortably. Allow the body to soften. Inhale slowly and notice the scent. Light, citrus, softly radiant. A clean, gentle brightness that begins to settle the space within. Breathing in and out, let the body settle. Shoulders softening, jaw unclenching. Nothing to do, just arriving. Light, spacious, open. Bergamot carries a quiet brightness, a gentle light moving inward, bittersweet, softly balancing, easing tension without force, creating a clean, grounded space. Notice the breath and the scent. Inhale, lightness. Exhale, release. If there is any tension, allow it to be released with each exhale. Become aware. Imagine a warm golden light, soft sunlight resting around you. This light feels clean, clear. It begins to move inward, gently washing through the body, through the chest, the shoulders, the mind where tension has been held. The light softens it, not pushing, just easing, creating space. With each inhale, the scent becomes this light, flowing inward, clearing, softening. A calm begins to settle, a quiet sense of ease. Notice the quiet harmony, the body more at ease, the mind more spacious, a gentle clarity emerging. This light expands outward. Say to yourself, may I experience lightness. Say to yourself, may I rest in ease. Say to yourself, may I move through this moment with patience and calm. With body grounded, with speech calm, with mind open, the scent remains an anchor for awareness. Whenever you return to this aroma, you reconnect with ease, patience, clarity, and a clean, grounded space. Use this oil when tension rises, when patience is short, when frustration appears, or when you wish to reset your environment. Notice your breath, the space around you, the calm within you, gently returning. Bergamot essential oil can help by providing a light citrus scent that promotes awareness and creates a calm, stable, and clear mental space.